Welcome to our immersive exploration of the furniture industry's captivating supply chain. In this video, we'll take you on a step-by-step journey through the creation of a wooden chair, uncovering the intricate connections between suppliers, manufacturers, and consumers. Get ready to witness the fascinating interplay of craftsmanship and logistics in this enthralling process. Our adventure starts in the forest, where the best timber is searched. With a strong focus on sustainability, trees are selected meeting strict industry and environmental criteria. Procurement plays a vital role in ensuring responsible sourcing practices, safeguarding the environment, and supporting sustainable forestry. Leaving the wilderness, we enter the realm of design and creativity. Talented designers bring visions to life, blending aesthetics and functionality through sketching and molding ideas. Procurement professionals work closely with designers, sourcing materials and components that align with the design vision, ensuring a seamless transition from concept to reality. Next, we delve into the heart of manufacturing. Advanced facilities buzz with machinery and skilled workers. Components are meticulously crafted and assembled, adhering to exact instructions. Purchasing professionals play a crucial role in sourcing the necessary machinery, tools, raw materials, and components, facilitating smooth production. Quality is of paramount importance in our quest for excellence. Dedicated inspectors meticulously examine each chair, conducting tests and inspections to ensure they meet rigorous standards. Sourcing specialists collaborate with suppliers to source high-quality materials, components, and equipment, reinforcing the foundation of quality throughout the production process. As our chairs near completion, they prepare for a grand voyage through the logistics web. In other words, it is time for transportation and distribution. Sourcing experts team up with logistics partners to streamline transportation, secure packaging, and optimize shipping routes, ensuring seamless chair flow across the supply chain. Our adventure concludes with delivering chairs to eager owners. Customers can choose to pick up their chairs from our shop, or have them conveniently delivered to their doorstep. The careful orchestration of the supply chain, driven in part by procurement professionals, contributes to the seamless journey that culminates in customer delight. We hope this captivating animation has shed light on the fascinating world of the furniture industry and its dynamic supply chain. Thank you for watching.